はい、皆さんこんにちは。漢字の勉強頑張っていますか？ Today, I'm going to show you how to learn kanji in a different way, which is the storytelling. You create a story when you learn kanji so that the story will stuck in your brain, then you won't forget the kanji. We're going to use one kanji today. The kanji is this one. From out of this kanji, you are going to learn 4 different kanjis.Are you ready? それでは始めましょう。I said in this kanji there are 4 kanjis in it. The first one is a person, 人. So this looks like katakana I. That part represents a person, 人.By the way, this kanji have 3 ways of reading it and it's pretty easy, so I'm just gonna go over. The first one is just 人, 男の人, 女の人. Next one is country name and this kanji. Then you read 人, 日本人, アメリカ人, 中国人. The third one is when you counting people like as a unit, 3人, 4人, 5人, then you use 人. Alright, next one. The second kanji is this part. It's a lot of stroke, but it means heavy. It looks like it's a lot of weight. So it looks like a lot of weights on one stick. And then that means heavy. It's kind of makes sense to me. So you see it as like a picture. Think about the meaning and then how can I relate it to something that I already know, which is like a weight. So weight, heavy. So this means heavy. 重い meaning heavy. This one is person. All right, so the heavy thing. And the third one is here. It's like a katakana ka, but it's actually the power means 力. And then the fourth one is those 2 things together. So you have the heavy thing with power. Can you think of anything? So you have the heavy thing, the power. Let's see what I got. So a person, I said, with the power, I'm moving a heavy thing. So it actually means move something. 動く. This means to move something. And 動く, 動かす. So to move. Then, all together, this kanji. So the person with the power moving the heavy thing, that means she is working. 働く. This kanji reads 働く. That means to work. So that's something that I wanted to tell you. When you see kanji, when you see each kanji, and then story will stuck in your head, then you won't forget the kanji. Every time you see it, you remember the story of the kanji. That's another way you can learn kanji. That's something I wanted to share. If you like it, please hit the like button. If you like my channel, please subscribe. I will see you in the next lesson. また次のレッスンで会いましょう。